Hi, hello everybody. Yesterday you should have started this homework assignment, and I'm just going to do a couple problems from this homework assignment because I think that they're a little bit more challenging, and I want to make sure you guys understand why the solutions are the way that they are. So please make sure that you finish this. I won't do all of them, but the answer key will be posted in the content library under Module 2, Topic 3 and 4. So the first one I want to start with is number 4. Okay, and the reason I want to start with that is, remember from our video, you're looking at distance here. And right now, there is something happening outside the absolute value sign. Okay, a -3. So what I want to do is I need to get the absolute value sign alone before I do the positive and negative distance. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add 3 to both sides. So I'm left with the absolute value of x plus 1 equals 10. This now is the distance I'm looking for. So I want a distance of 10. So I want x plus 1 either to be positive 10 or negative 10. I'm going to solve them the same way though. I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. And I'm going to get 9 for my first answer, and then negative 11 for my second. The next one I want to talk about is number 6. And I want you to pay attention to number 6. Look closely. I have the distance of x minus 2 is equal to negative 7. So I'm saying a distance is equal to a negative number. And distance is always positive. So in this particular case, there's actually no solution because no number is going to give us a distance of negative 7. It's not possible. Okay? It could be 7 to the left or 7 to the right, but not negative 7. Within that same idea, I want to look at number 7. Okay, so I want this distance part by itself. So I need to get rid of the negative 3. I can't distribute it, okay, because it's distance. It's not parentheses like multiplication. I'm going to divide each side by negative 3. So I have a distance of x minus 2 is equal to negative 5. So my distance is by itself, but negative 5. So I want you to think about, does this even have a solution? It does not. This is a no solution again. So the last one I want to do is number 5. I'm doing this one last because it has the most steps to it. Okay. So again, I want this distance by itself, and I have a 2 and a minus 4, so I'm going to start by getting rid of the subtract 4 and changing it to add 4. And the distance still is not by itself yet. So I'm going to divide by 2. And get that the distance is equal to 8. Now I can split it up. I can equal it to positive 8 and to negative 8. So I'm going to add 8 to both sides and get x is 16. Add 8 to both sides and get x is 0. So I just wanted to do those problems for you guys. I'm going to leave the last 4 for you to do and to check your answers on the content library. But that is how we're going to solve absolute value equations. So finish this up and I will see you guys Monday.